Hello everyone, if you're using the GoPro Hero 12 Black and want to capture your adventures in the best quality, having a reliable microSD card is essential. GoPro recommends using microSD cards with a V30 or UHS-3 rating to ensure smooth recording and quick file transfers. Additionally, it's best to use a card with at least 256 GB of storage because smaller capacities might not be sufficient for high-resolution videos. Let's dive into some of the best microSD cards for your GoPro Hero 12 Black. The SanDisk Extreme Pro is highly recommended for GoPro users. With impressive read speeds of up to 170 MB per s and write speeds up to 90 MB per s, this card is perfect for 4K UHD video recording and fast-action photography. It's also extremely durable, being shock-proof, temperature-proof, waterproof, and X-ray-proof. Other options from SanDisk include Extreme Series Extreme Plus Series prices start at around $28 for the 256 GB version. Lexar Professional 1066X. The Lexar Professional 1066X is another excellent choice, delivering read speeds up to 160 MB per s and write speeds up to 120 MB per s. This card is designed to handle the high data rates of 4K video recording efficiently. It's also built to last with protection against water, shock, vibration, and X-rays. Other options from Lexar include Fly Series and Professional Gold Series. The 256 GB version is priced at approximately $29.99. The Samsung EVO Select is known for its reliability and performance. It offers read speeds up to 100 MB per s and write speeds up to 90 MB per s, ensuring smooth video recording and quick file transfers. This card is also designed to withstand various conditions including water, extreme temperatures, X-rays, and magnetic fields. Other options from Samsung include EVO Plus Series, Pro Plus Series, and Pro Ultimate Series. The 256 GB version is available for around $24. PNY Elite-X. The PNY Elite-X microSD card provides reliable performance with read speeds up to 100 MB per s and write speeds up to 90 MB per s. It's perfect for recording 4K Ultra HD videos and taking high-resolution photos. This card is also built to endure tough conditions, with protection against water, shock, and temperature fluctuations. Other options from PNY include Pro Elite Series, Premier X Series. The 256 GB version is priced at around $19.99. Choosing the right microSD card for your GoPro Hero 12 Black can significantly enhance your recording experience. The SanDisk Extreme Pro, Lexar Professional 1066X, Samsung EVO Select, and PNY Elite-X are all excellent options. They offer high speeds and reliable performance, ensuring you capture every moment without any issues. Remember, GoPro recommends using a microSD card with a V30 or UHS-3 rating and at least 256 GB of storage. Check the links in the description for the best deals on these microSD cards. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.